In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailerlite to Google Sheets. We'll use Zapier to link your spreadsheet to your email list so new rows can automatically become subscribers. Start by opening your browser and searching for Zapier. Head to the official Zapier site and sign in to your account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a free account in a minute or two. Once you're in, look for the Create button and choose to make a new Zap. A Zap is simply an automated workflow made of a trigger and an action. For the trigger, select Google Sheets. This tells Zapier to watch your sheet for changes. Next, choose the event that fits your workflow. New spreadsheet row will run when a brand new row is added. New or updated spreadsheet. Row runs when an existing row changes too. If your data comes from a Google form, pick New Form Response. Choose the one that matches how your data arrives so the automation fires when you expect. Now connect your Google account and pick the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to monitor. Make sure your sheet has a clear header row, columns like email, name, and any custom fields. Zapier uses those headers to map data correctly. It's also a good idea to have one test row in place with realistic data so you can run a sample later. For the action, select Mailerlite. This is where the row data will be sent. Choose the action that suits your goal, such as Add Update Subscriber if you want to create new subscribers or refresh existing ones, or Add Subscriber to Group if you're organizing people into a particular segment. Connecting your Mailerlite account may prompt you to grant access. Once connected, select the group or audience segment where these contacts should go. Now map your fields. Match the email column from your Google Sheet to the email field in Mailerlite. It's essential that this is accurate. Then map name and any other fields you maintain, like company or tags if you use them. Keep field formats consistent to avoid errors, and remember that email is required for subscriber actions. Run a test to make sure data flows as expected. Zapier will pull in your sample row and send it to Mailerlite. Check the result in your Mailerlite dashboard to confirm the contact appears in the right group with the right details. If everything looks good, turn your Zap on. From now on, each new row, or update, depending on your event, will sync automatically, saving you time and keeping your list up to date.